Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to warm up your garage space or workshop, I want to show you this Dr. Heater commercial garage heater. This is a 240 volt single phase heavy duty commercial electric heater. We use this in our garage workshop where my husband spends a lot of time working on projects, and of course it gets cold in the winter months, and this thing is amazing. This covers 600 square feet and it has two settings, high and low. It is 3,000 watts on the low, 6,000 watts on the high, and let me tell you, this thing is extremely effective. So make sure you're aware that it is hardwired, so there is not a power cord that is going to come with this, but it does come with the wall bracket, and it is movable. You can adjust it around and point it in whatever direction you need. The fan blades are also movable, so you can really direct the heat where you need it. It is super effective. It is very, very quick to heat up the space. And as you can hear, it is not very loud, and it does an awesome job at moving that warm air around. So I am always very pleasantly surprised when I turn on this heater and it super effectively and very quickly heats up our garage space. And that's my point of view.